Hey guys, today we're going to play Crowd City. I just downloaded it. You see I have normal skins, just okay. We're gonna name the ASMR. Yeah, and let's go. Okay. Oh, there are enemies. Ah, just that one. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh, I'm the best. I'm the best. Yeah, we got it. Oh, look at that. What? I'm not number one. How? Okay, we're gonna need to kill enemies. Let's go. Come on. No, we need to get them. We're not fast enough. Oh, third place. Oh, what? Wait, what just happened? Okay. Oh, look at that ping. Look at ping. Damn, boy, come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, we got ping. Look at that. 205. And I'm very sorry for not uploading. I uploaded a video, but it got taken down. I don't know why. I think no strike, just got taken down because of I don't know how to say it in English. So extra time. No thanks. Yeah, first place. Look at that. Nice. Damn boy. Ah, look. That's how you get your new skins, I think. Okay. I don't know if it's right that there it stands to. I don't know. Okay, let's start. Okay. There's someone. Oh, come on. Get it? Yeah. 3 people. 4, 5, 6. Damn. Come on. We're faster. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Just like in gang war, you know what I mean? We're going to the streets and gang members. It was cool if I would get subscribers like that, but I'm happy with my subscribers and my views. So I don't care. I have enough viewers. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's take all of them. Oh, that's enough. Half time. Ah, okay. It gives you a half time. Something like that. Okay. I understand. Ooh. I need to make more sounds. 433. Whoa, whoa, look at the 500. Oh my god, we're gonna kill so many of them. Oh my god, look at that. How many? Look at that. 500. I repeat, 548. Oh, we have a new skin. New skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin. Another new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin. Another new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin, new skin. Wow, that's fucking nice. Oh my god. Nearly 5,000. Whoa. I think I'm still gonna take this. Okay. Let's. I can't move. Guys, I can't move. Look, I can't move. I couldn't move. What crap. Start again. Okay, now we can start. Okay, just one. That's cool. We need to find more. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at blue. Oh, come on. Now them. Yeah. Come on. Now they wanna trick us. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. That's like a spawn point. Spawn point. Look, I just get more and more people here. They're just like spawning. Ah, shit. We're not. I need to kill someone again. Oh, Red. Come on, Red. Don't be scared. Yeah, let's go. Only 9 people of them. Let's go. 445. New skin, new skin. Okay, we got 1 new skin. 1 new skin. I don't know. Okay, let's play. Nobody spawns. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Come on. Let's go through here. Okay. Let's go. Oh, just. Oh, okay. Dr. Cocktail. Oh my god. Come on. Yeah. We're getting faster and faster and faster. Okay. Shit. Half time. need to kill one. I think Red is here again. Yeah. Come on. We need to find Red. Come on. 4 seconds. 3. Come on. No exit time. Not now. 430. Okay. Do we get a new skin? And new skin. Oh. I want to have this skin. It looks cool. Looks like this one enemy that I killed. You know, this chest that. Oh, look at that. You can level. Did you see what happened to my followers? That was weird. Okay, let's go. Come on. Purple. Pink. Pink, yeah. Come on. Let's go. Okay, I don't know. There's like, there are 3 skeletons. I don't know how you call it in English, but yeah. Okay, 3. Here, 3. Okay, let's kill them. Then I have 3 kills and then. Come on. Oh, they're big. Their skins are so big. I don't know. Whoa! What the hell happened? What the hell? Do you see this? Did you see that? That was crazy. Oh my god. I don't get many points, you see? I don't know. Weird. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Oh, we're again the best. Oh no, someone's trying to beat us. Let's go. Hopefully we get skin. Now 264. 46. No. I don't fucking know. Okay. Come on. Please, I want this skin. This skin is like so cool. Damn it. I don't get it. Did you see my ear? Do you see it? My followers are just, look at that level 5 and it costs like so many followers. Look, do you see my followers? It's like so big. I think the game is broken or something like that. Okay. just like Brent, like Brandon A. Smart. I saw his video. He was playing Helix Jump. Oh, I got the skin. Oh my god. He was playing Helix Jump, and there was he said there was like time travel. You know what is happening with my followers? I think my followers are fucking broken. I mean here, that's I think called followers. Oh, I got it. It looks like this too. Oh look, because I leveled it up, and then it means I saw with 2 people. Okay, that's very cool. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. 16. Oh, look. There is someone called German Coach. It's funny because I'm from Germany. And yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm bugged. I'm fucking glitched. I can't get out of here because it's, yeah. Thank you. It's just glitch, and then I can't get out. I think this is the last round before I stop the video. But I don't know, maybe 2 rounds. Okay, that's good. Look how many. Okay, let's go and get red. You see red there? Down there? Oh, look at that. I start to make videos on the peaceful, but my problem is I have a German YouTube account, and I don't know how to make 2 YouTube accounts on peaceful. I think I just need to make a new how to call new account on the PlayStation. I have many accounts, and the games are just still there. You know what I mean? Okay. So this was the video. Wait, I'm just gonna upgrade this up. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you're relaxed or just sleeping. Yeah. Hope you have fun. Bye.